Welcome to Fabulous Body. Now, before I provide you with the best foods to normalize high blood sugar, reverse insulin resistance, and potentially reverse pre-diabetes for good, let me say this. 84% of people who have pre-diabetes don't even know that they have this issue in the first place. So if you are overweight or obese and have belly fat, get your A1C test done today. Your A1C values should ideally be less than 5.7%. Anything between 5.7% and 6.5% indicates pre-diabetes, while levels above 6.5% signifies type 2 diabetes. Now, pre-diabetes does not have to be a roadblock on your path to wellness. With the right foods, you can take control of your health and potentially reverse the course of pre-diabetes. So let's dive into this topic. I'll start by saying this. Don't skip the veggies. Non-starchy vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, cucumbers, tomatoes are essential for pre-diabetes management. They are low in calories but high in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. A sautéed salad 10 to 15 minutes prior to your main meal will fill you up, reduce cravings, and significantly lower the blood sugar spike you experience when eating a main meal. Aim to consume at least 500 grams of both cooked and raw veggies every single day. Next on the list are protein sources like beans, lentils, chickpeas, eggs, and tofu. Protein helps stabilize blood sugar levels and promote satiety. It lowers hunger and cravings. Aim to include a serving or two of foods rich in protein in each meal to prevent spikes in your blood sugar levels. If you are an omnivore, clean meats like chicken, fish can be a good addition and will promote satiety. Just ensure that these meals are from pasture-raised animals who are not fed hormones or antibiotics. Overall, your protein intake should be between 1.2 grams to 1.5 grams per kilogram of body weight. So for example, if you weigh 70 kilograms, then your protein intake should be between 84 to 105 grams per day. Now let's talk about healthy fats. Focus on cold pressed coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, mustard oil, and ghee. 1 to 2 tablespoons of these healthy oils will not only make your meals tasty but also largely slow down the gastric emptying. 1 gram of fat has 9 calories, and that's why they are absorbed slowly. A pro tip that I give to my students is to always prioritize proteins and healthy fats in a meal and never eat carbohydrate-rich foods all by themselves. Okay, don't forget to include fat calories from nuts like walnuts, almonds, seeds like chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, and flax seeds. Aim to get at least 30% of calories from these healthy fats. Last but not the least, carbohydrates. I get many questions from my students and clients, and they ask me, Akash, should we go on a keto diet, for example, and completely remove carbohydrates to manage high blood sugar levels and improve insulin resistance? You do not have to cut entire food groups. While the keto diet might work for some, it's often considered extreme, especially for vegans or vegetarians. The real issue isn't carbohydrates in general, but rather ultra-processed and refined carbohydrates along with added sugars, coupled with a sedentary lifestyle which poses a significant risk for pre-diabetics. Carbohydrate-rich foods can be a fabulous addition to your diet if chosen wisely. They offer essential nutrients like dietary fiber, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. Legumes such as dals and beans are high in carbs but low on the glycemic index and packed with dietary fiber, making them a great choice. Opt for whole grains like millets, ragi, jowar, and bajra over wheat or rice, as they have a lower glycemic index and almost double the fiber content. But be cautious with fruits, choosing ones which are low in sugar. Enjoy fruits as a dessert post-meal. In limited quantities, 1 or 2 units are sufficient. So once again, here's a list of 7 food categories you should include daily as someone with prediabetes. Please click a screenshot. Share this video with someone who can benefit from this information. Make sure to subscribe for more valuable content. I'm Akash. Until next time, stay healthy, stay fabulous.